Hello everyone, welcome to Investment Awareness. Myself Shimona. In this video today, I will discuss about the history of stock market. We all have heard about stock market, but do we know where this stock market got initiated from? So, are you willing to know? Without any further delay, let's start it.
Well, it all started in the 16th century when European countries were colonizing and when they were looking for luxurious products which they could not have found in European countries. So they began to import and export from the colonies or started trading. They had three options. Number one, roadways. This was costly option and looking at the cost of the fuels and conditions of the roads can't be trusted. Number two, railways. This was a good option, but again, a cost sufficient as the steam engines were not invented then. Number 3, waterways. This was a cheap option and faster as well. So, how did the stock market started? While shipping was a good and cheaper option, but life was in risk. There could be occurring natural calamities like storm, cyclone, etc. This led to loss for the merchants, so they decided to ask for money to the investors or the public. This led to the very first stock exchange, Amsterdam Stock Exchange. This was the first stock exchange and most valid company till date, the East India Company. This company is said to be valued $8 trillion if it exists today. Yes, that's the GDP of England, Germany and India combined.
Now, let's come to the final point. How did Indian stock market started? Between 1861 to 1865, American Civil War took place, which resulted in an acute shortage of cotton. All the Lancashire mills had to turn to the other resources including India, as cotton was exported from India in very large quantities. For example, it went from a price of 3 pence per pound to 20 pence per pound. That more than 6 times. Hence, between 1861 and 1865, export of cotton resulting in an unusual influx fell in a form of bullion amount into 850 million rupees, much of which landed in the beginning shores of Bombay. Naturally, this brought in massive investment opportunities. Such opportunities sprang up spontaneously and brought with them a new generation of entrepreneurship. Being at right place at right time played their important role. Premchand Raichand, infamously known as Cotton King, who by virtue of being the first Indian broker to read and write in the English, found himself suited to lead the equity markets in Mumbai. He then floated or helped float markets in Mumbai. Several companies which start equity investment. With increasing investment, the number of brokers increased between 200 to 250. When the thing cooled down at the end of American Civil War, the organization built up of the BSE started at first. The informal association was created in 1887. The brokers formalized the arrangement through an indenture, spelling out articles of association of the Native Shares and Stockbrokers Association in 1875. They first started trading under a banyan tree, where they would allow people to buy and sell shares of companies. The Stock Exchange Mumbai later renamed in the year 2002 to Bombay Stock Exchange.
I hope this video has been informative. Please hit the like button and comment down below if you think there is any scope of improvement, and also don't forget to share the video. For more such informative knowledge about share market, investment and stock market, do watch and do subscribe Investment Awareness. Thank you.